How to get a refund on Alibaba. If you have a problem with your order, you can get a refund on Alibaba. This guide shows you how to open a dispute and get your money back with the help of trade assurance. If you have a problem with your order, the first thing you need to do is to open a dispute. Go to the order details page for the order with the problem and look for a button that says Open Dispute or Request Refund. Tapping this will start the dispute process. In the dispute form, you'll need to explain the problem and provide evidence. This could be a picture or video of the damaged or incorrect product. The more evidence you have, the more likely you are to win the dispute. Be clear and honest about what the problem is. If your order was placed with trade assurance, Alibaba will step in to help you if the supplier doesn't cooperate. Alibaba will look at the evidence and make a decision to refund you or to work with the supplier to find a solution. This is why it's important to use a payment method with trade assurance. You now know how to get a refund on Alibaba. This will help you protect your business. Like and subscribe for more business tips.